Hello everyone, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. So I've been doing a little bit of honey extracting and bottling and labeling. It's been a busy weekend, and I posted it up on Facebook, and I think I just about have every jar of it sold. So that's a look at what the label looks like. It's still got a lot of air bubbles in it. Trying to settle out of it from the strainer, but nice little 1 pound jar. Had a lady come by this morning, and she bought 2 jars, and she asked when I'd have some more. I said, it'll probably be summer before I have any more. She said, well, let me go ahead and get 2 more jars. So she bought some, and then I had a lady call me and say that she was coming over after church, and she wanted 10 jars that she could gift out to people. So what I'm going to try to do on this video, if I can, is see, you know, interview some customers and see if I can get them to get on YouTube and tell us why they like local honey. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so yesterday I did a live video, and we had snow overnight. I woke up yesterday to snow. This is what I've got left of it right here. Just a little bit on the ground right there, a little bit of snow. And it's warmed up. We're back at about 50 degrees. The bees are toting out the ones that died from the cold, and they're out doing their thing. They're scavenging these wax cappings over here, and they've been looking for water. Now they have, because it's warmer today, I set out the tote from the honey extraction, and they've just found it. So they're starting to get in this tote. Few of them have found it, and this thing will be absolutely insane here before long. I just cracked it a little bit. I'll probably end up taking that all the way off here shortly, and letting the girls get at it. But it'll get busier and busier right as they go in and tell their other bees that they're ready to go. Let's look at the Monster Hive landing board. I'm actually waiting on a customer for the honey right now, so Monster Hive is pretty busy. They kicked out some drones, it looks like. I see them on the board there. Nuke's going good. I know this nuke and this nuke have bees in them because I checked it out already. Just cracked the top. Everything's looking good. The bees are getting active. They've been pent up for a day or so. This hive over here is doing pretty good. This hive always does real good. This was my #1 producer of honey this last season. The ducks, they're doing good. They're always chilling. Hopefully they eat some hive beetles. But let's wait on my customer. Hey everybody, we've got a customer here. I'm gonna let them introduce themselves and just briefly tell you why they like to buy local honey.
Hey, Rodney and Kelly Reinhardt. We live right down the road, and
in Hopkins or
in Columbia.
Columbia.
You know, really right off Kaufman Road, and we live on the farm, and we're very excited about getting local honey for many different reasons. Number one is to help our local economy, but number two, there's a lot of scientific data that says local honey really helps with allergies and asthma.
Right.
And as a physician as well, we want to use that as well. So we really appreciate everything.
Well, I appreciate you talking to my 1,447 followers.
It's beautiful honey. So
and look forward to doing business. And hey guys, he's got a farm, so I'm trying to weasel my way to put some bees out on his property. So we'll keep you updated on that one. Anyway, thank you guys. You have a great day.
Yeah, we live off Kaufman Road, so we have a little farm here. Yeah.
Whoa, this is getting insane. The amount of bees going in and out of this hive right now. Try to get it without getting stung. You probably can't even see him. Maybe I need to walk around the other side. All right, it's ramping up over here. Starting to warm up, so they're finding the remnants. I might have to. I'm pretty sure this is gonna get crazy, this tote. Wow, guys, it's been a crazy honey day so far. I started out with 35 1-pound jars and 12 pints, and I have 3 quarts with cut comb in it. The 3 quarts are already, people have told me they're coming to get them. I had one lady, there's a bee checking me out. I had one lady buy 10 jars, 10 1-pound jars. I had another lady buy 2 pints and 2 more 1-pound jars. I've got a lady coming now that just is wanting 3 jars, and I got another guy coming for 2 pints. This honey is blowing through just by one Facebook post that I was bottling and labeling, and it's going crazy. And it's warm and the bees are going crazy out here, so it's really making for a nice environment for people to come and see that the bees are here. And oh, customer showing up right there in the background, so they can see what's going on. So I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, guys, so my customer just pulled up, and I'm gonna let them introduce themselves to you and tell you a little bit on why they like local honey.
Hi, I'm Tracy, and this is my daughter Elena. We like the local honey for health reasons. If you have allergies, they say get your local honey, and it's better for your allergies.
Are you guys from Hopkins?
Hopkins. We live right down the street.
Okay, see? And they didn't even know. Now they know. They know where I'm at. They know where everything's at, all through Facebook and a simple post. So, you guys, will be back in a little while. You're all down there. But yeah, see, they don't care about me at all. They're down in there probably getting stuck in that honey that ran down. They're the only creature I know that'll drown in their own food.
Yeah.
Okay, no ears. But see, they don't really care about me at all. But they will clean every bit of it. And I tried to make sure I left them room they could get to both sides if they wanted. Oh, a spot of honey? Yeah, they're just eating the honey right there. See if I can get a good shot setting it in here. Leaned a little bit. Just let her run some footage. Silence it out. Makes good intro content. But yeah, that thing will be spick and span. They haven't gotten in any of my, like any eaves or anything around here. Got a ton. Hopefully they'll find these boxes if they decide to swarm. They like this branch right here. And they like that branch right up there. Probably gonna hang a swarm trap on those branches over there.
First time I ever saw it, there was 2 of them in the same tree.
Two different clusters on the same tree.
It was one of them about where that vine is, one of them about here.
If you see any, give me a holler, man. I'll definitely come and shake them down.
I spend a lot of time wandering around. A lot of times I'm probably a lot more.
Oh yeah.
But if I see one, like I said, I think 8 minutes is what it initially said.
Oh, to get here.
Yeah, I'm probably maybe 2, 3. Hell, you're beating me in my area. Maybe a little bit.
If
more.
you're within a 2-mile circumference of here,
Yeah.
then it's almost guaranteed. Especially if things start running low
Yeah.
around here.
They start spreading out.
Yep. But they'll uncap all this. They'll clean all these cappings. Will be totally dry down here. Yeah, I didn't think there was that much honey in here. Hey guys, got another customer here. I'm gonna let you tell you why they like local honey.
Well, my name's Ryan Wilson. I enjoy local honey because it's the best for you if you're sick or you have other kinds of problems. Local honey is always the best to buy, and you can't get any more local than this.
Are you in Eastover, Hopkins, or?
I'm in Eastover.
Eastover, South Carolina.
Yep.
So I appreciate you coming by and buying some of my honey, and look for you on YouTube.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'll tell you what, today has been an awesome day. Got to meet some very nice people in my local area that supported me and helped my cause and bought some honey, and it's my plan to turn that back into the bees and expand my apiary, buy queens, buy stuff that I need. Went really great. It was amazing. I couldn't be happier. My bees are still cleaning frames out. I'll put a couple I'm gonna try to put a couple clips of that. Well, actually, you will have already seen it by this time. But yeah, you see the bees, you saw the bees cleaning everything up. They're really tearing it up. Tearing it up. It's much drier in there. They're still working it. And it's about time for them to start heading home. But it's just been an amazing day. Actually met some people that have some land that are might be interested in putting some hives out there, so we'll follow that up, and hopefully they do, and I'll have a couple out yards. So everything's going good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. You have a good evening, and thanks for watching Walker Bee Ranch.